To write a review on Tripadvisor, start by opening your web browser and typing in the website's URL. Once you've accessed the site, you'll be taken to the homepage, where you can find various options such as Discover, Trips, and Review. You'll also see your profile picture, currency, and language displayed. To begin writing a review, click on the Write a Review option, which can be found in several locations. One way to do this is by going to your profile, where you'll see a section that allows you to write your first review. Alternatively, you can click on the Write a Review button, which will prompt you to enter the name of the trip, booking, or experience you want to review. From there, you can share your story and help other travelers have better trips by posting photos and writing about your experience. There are multiple ways to access the review feature, including clicking on the Review option, which will take you to a page where you can write and post your review. By following these steps, you can easily write a review on Tripadvisor and help others make informed decisions about their travels.